What's up, everybody? This is Adrian, also known as Mr. Gold Packs. Welcome to my channel, and this is my first video ever, so bear with me. I'm going to be opening up Gypsy Queen Baseball Pack and 2021 Contenders Football Blaster from Target. So we're going to open up. We're going to start out with the Gypsy Queen. These are all the hits. My plan was to go through all of them, but then this video would be way too long, so I'm not going to do that. Alright, just going to go ahead and start opening. Alright, that's not going to work, so let's go with this. Sensor card, I guess. We got Lindor, Duran, Lynn, Frazier. Nice design on these cards, and they're super cool looking. Bueller, one of the best pitchers in baseball, in my opinion. And then I'm gonna butcher his name for the Oakland A's. James Caprillion. Right, nothing special there. Let's move on to Contenders Football Blaster Box from Target. Looks like it's another sensor. Alright. There is 7 cards per pack. 6 packs per box. Looking for Stardust parallels. And then these boxes should come with 1 autograph or rookie ticket swatch per box on average. So hopefully we get at least one of those. Alright. Here we go. Hope we get something good. Okay. Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, Joey Boza, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Brady. That's not too bad. Brady's always a good get. And then Tyron Smith for the Cowboys. This year's contenders are pretty nice. They're not bad. Not phenomenal, but not bad. Alright, next pack. Oh, feel something good back there. Joe Burrow, T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Taysom Hill, and then no way, Justin Fields rookie ticket with a patch there. I doubt it's game worn. It's not from any specific game or event, but still not a bad Not a bad snag. Okay. I don't know where my son took my sleeves to, but that one will definitely get sleeved up. That should be our patch for the box, so I'm not expecting anything else too big. Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, Jair Alexander, and MVP contenders Lamar Jackson. That's the Lamar Jackson pack, I guess. The 2 Lamar Jackson cards in that pack. Alright, let's go to the next pack. Jerry Jeudy, DK Metcalf, DJ Chark Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, Tua. Let's go. Alright. I love anything Dolphins. Big Miami fan. Alright. It's a good card. Great card for me, at least. Chase Claypool. And then Legendary Contenders insert Bo Jackson. I used to have an autographed Bo Jackson helmet. Wish I still have it. Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill. Wish I was in a Dolphins jersey, but let's see what I can get. Oh, Supernatural Mac Jones. Look at that. It's a pretty nice card. I wish these were numbered, but I don't think anything in the real toe boxes are going to come numbered. Nice card. Real nice card. Alright, last pack. Carson Wentz, Terry McLaurin, Aaron Donald, DJ Moore, Alvin Kamara, Drew Lock, and then Rookie of the Year contender. Oh, another Mac Jones. Alright. Nice card. Alright, so 3 best cards from today are going to be the 2 Macs and then the rookie swatch of Justin Fields. I'm really hoping he takes off this year. He's one of my favorite quarterbacks from this draft. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you must. Help me get my name out there. This is my first video. Hoping to do more like this and eventually get into some breaks. I want to start breaking some cards. Hopefully get a hold of some hobby boxes. Again, like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what packs I should open next if you got any ideas. If you want a different sport, let me know. Bye.